Hello everyone, how are you today? In the previous video we explaining the lesson, representation, comparison to unit. In this video we are going to explain addition of fractions. I will start by explaining the lesson quickly to save time. The important thing in add to fraction is denominator. To add them we must make same denominator. If you have same denominator, like 4 over 5 plus 2 over 5, directly add 4 to 2. And the denominator remain 5. 4 plus 2 is 6, so the answer is 6 over 5. If have different denominator, you have to wait to make them same. Let's explain this well and take example. So let's get started. First way, which is easy way, but you can't use it in any fraction. Example about this way, 5 over 4 plus 7 over 2. The first denominator is 4 and the second is 2. The biggest is 4, so look directly to 2. Ask yourself, how can I change 2 to 4? Very good, if you multiply 2 by 2 you get 4, so multiply denominator by 2, and of course multiply numerator also. 7 times 2 and 2 times 2, so the fraction become 14 over 4. Now put it over same denominator, at the numerator, 5 plus 14. It is 19, so the answer is 19 over 4. This is another example of confirming the arrival of information. 3 over 9 plus 4 over 3. The first denominator is 9 and the second is 3. The biggest is 9, so look directly to 3. Ask yourself, how can I change 3 to 9? Very good, if you multiply 3 by 3 you get 9, so multiply denominator by 3, and of course multiply numerator also. 4 times 3 and 3 times 2, so the fraction become 12 over 9. Now put it over same denominator, at the numerator, 3 plus 12, it is 15, so the answer is 15 over 9. Second way, which is easy way also, but you can use it in any fraction. If you do not know which number, you should multiply the smallest denominator by it, or if you can't multiply it in any number, to become same to largest denominator, easily, each denominator multiplied it by the same number of another denominator. Example, 5 over 8 plus 6 over 9. Let's think as previous. The first denominator is 8 and the second is 9. The biggest is 9, so look directly to 8. Ask yourself, how can I change 8 to 9? Excellent, you can't change, because you can't find 9 in multiplication table of 8. So as we say before, each denominator multiplied it by the same number of another denominator. The first denominator is 8 and the second is 9, so multiply 8 by 9, and 9 by 8. Of course don't forget to multiply numerator also. Now put them over same denominator, add them, so the answer is 93 over 72. Note, if you have fraction and you want to add it to natural number, easily, put the natural number over 1 and solve normally. Example, 1 over 3 plus 5. The natural number is 5, so put it over 1. Become 5 over 1. Now added normally. The first denominator is 3 and the second is 1. The biggest is 3, so look directly to 1. Ask yourself, how can I change 1 to 3? Very good, if you multiply 1 by 3 you get 3, so multiply denominator by 3. And of course multiply numerator also. 5 times 3 and 1 times 3, so the fraction become 15 over 3. Now put it over same denominator, at the numerators, 1 plus 15. It is 16, so the answer is 16 over 3. If you are still having difficulty after this detailed explanation of addition of fractions, follow with us to solve some questions. But before we begin to solve the questions, these are the most important words that were mentioned in the explanation along with their translation into Arabic, because our goal is to convey knowledge to the entire world. In this lesson I will solve only one question that includes several parts, each part having an idea. Exercise. Calculate a 9 over 4 plus 3. You notice directly that you have a natural number, so changing it to fraction by placing 1 under it. Now add them normally. The biggest is 4, so look directly to 1. Ask yourself, how can I change 1 to 4? Very good. If you multiply 1 by 4 you get 4, and of course multiply numerator also. So the fraction become 12 over 4. Now put it over same denominator, at the numerators. 12 plus 9. It is 21, so the answer is 21 over 4. Be 3 over 8 plus 7 over 32. The smallest denominator is 8. So ask yourself how you can change 8 to 32. Right, when you multiply 8 by 4. Don't forget to multiply numerator also. The fraction become 12 over 32 plus 7 over 32. Put it over same denominator, 12 plus 7. It is 19, so the final answer is 19 over 32. See 7 over 3 plus 3 over 7. The smallest denominator is 3, so ask yourself how you can change 3 to 7. Right, you can't change because we can't find 7 in multiplication table of 3, so multiply first by second and second by first. Don't forget to multiply numerator also. The fraction become 49 over 21 plus 9 over 21. Put it over same denominator, 49 plus 9. It is 58, so the final answer is 58 over 21. I am very happy that you have reached the end of solving the questions. This is summary of this lesson. You should know that reviewing the video is very useful, and practicing solving the questions is very important to memorize the form and logic of the information. Good luck, friends. In the next lesson we will explain subtraction of fraction.